viewers, you are welcome to YouTube channel Success Wizard. In this channel, every day you will get a new set of practice questions with answer on objective general English for various competitive examinations like bank, railway, LIC, NDA, CDS, SSC, CEUT, CAT, CLAT, GMAT, TOFEL, GRE, etc., where the test of English language is compulsory. These practice questions are also helpful for class 8 to 12 students. If you subscribe this channel, every day you will get a new set of objective questions on English language with answer available at the end of the video. Thank you.